Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you people are doing well. So here I am with our new chapter in history, that is freedom movement. Okay. So in this video I am going to explain some of the important multiple choice questions. Okay. We will discuss them and I will also provide the solutions of those. Okay, so watch it till last, and if you find this video useful, kindly do like, comment and share the video. And if you are new to this channel, kindly do subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. And one more thing, the PDF of this video will be available soon on my Telegram as well as the WhatsApp group. You can find the link in the description box. Okay, and join them. So let us start with our first question. Okay, so here is it. Here it is. Indians started in the participation of legislation process after the implementation of the Act of Dash. So what is the answer for this question? It is 1861. Okay. After this act, the Indians too participated in the legislation process. Next is question number 2. Vernacular Press Act was implemented during the reign of Dash. Okay, during the time of Dash, who was the ruler, British officer during that time. So Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley, Lord Curzon or Lord Lytton. So option number D is the right, Lord Lytton. During his time, Vernacular Press Act was implemented. You should be also aware of this act. Next, question number 3 is, to curb the independence of the independent press, Dash Act was implemented. So what was the name of that act? It was Vernacular Press Act. Okay, to curb the freedom of press, independent press. Okay. Next is question number 4. Indian National Congress was born in a national convention held at Dash. Okay, so national convention was held at which place? Yes, it was Bombay. During that convention, INC, okay, Indian National Congress was formed. In the year was, what was the year? 1885. Okay. Moving to next question. Question number 5. The first president of INC, that is Indian National Congress, was Dash. So the options are W.C. Banerjee, A.O. Hume. This guy was the founder, not the president. He was the founder. The founder was W.C. Banerjee. Option number A is right answer. Okay. Moving to question number 6 now. The founding member of INC, that is Indian National Congress, A.O. Hume, was a dash. Okay. He was the founding member of INC. His name was A.O. Hume. What was he? He was a British soldier, general, British civil servant or a British governor. So the correct answer is option number C. He was a British civil servant. Okay. Moving to question number 7. The primary aim of INC, that is Indian National Congress, in its first convention was dash. So what was their primary aim? It was national unity. Okay, option number A is the right answer, national unity. Next is question number 8. The British employed dash policy to break the unity among Indian people. What was the name of that policy? The policy of association, divide and rule policy, integration policy, or doctrine of lapse policy. So it was divide and rule policy. Option number B is the right answer. I hope you people are enjoying the questions. If yes, kindly do like it. Moving to the next question. So question number 9 says, the period between 1885, actually this is 1885 to 1905 in INC, Indian National Congress, is called as the age of dash. So the first 20 years of Congress was called as what? It is called as age of moderates. Okay, they are also called as political beggars by radicals, and we'll see another question based on them. Question number 10. Who among the following is not associated from the age of liberal nationalism? Okay, this age, the age of moderates, okay, is also called as age of liberal nationalism. So here some names are given. You have to say who is not related to moderates. W.C. Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, M.G. Ranade, or Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So it is option number D, B.G. Tilak, because he belonged to a radical group. Okay. Moving to our next question, question number 9. Sorry, it is 11. Drain theory was a dash. So what was drain theory? You might have studied. It was a report, correct? Study of drain of resources of India to England. Okay. It was prepared by W.C. Banerjee or Dadabhai Naoroji. Try to answer that in the comment section. Okay. Who prepared drain theory? Okay. Moving to our next question. Soft stance of moderates, this is moderates, towards the British was criticized by dash. Soft stance of moderates, it was criticized mainly by radicals. Okay, radicals criticized that, the group of radical people, that is Lal, Bal and Pal. Okay, you should remember the name. Next is option number 13, question number 13. Radicals called the moderates as dash. So they were called as political beggars by radicals. Okay. Some leaders were like Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. So we call them Lal, Bal and Pal. Moving to next question, question number 14. Lord Curzon divided Bengal in 1905 because, okay, so they may also ask when was Bengal divided. So option answer is 1905. Who was the leader of British who divided this? So answer is Lord Curzon. So this type of question can also be expected. So why was it divided? Because the option is, yes, the Bengal was center of anti-British protest. Okay, because of that it was divided. But he gave the reason of administration. You should also remember that. Okay, Lord Curzon gave the reason of administration. Next is question number 15. The British government withdrew Bengal division order in the year, yes, it was year 1911. Okay, it was divided in 1905. Okay, Muslim League was founded in 1906 and division of Bengal order was taken back in 1911. Now moving to question number 16. The party which was born in 1906 to protect the Muslim identity was dash. So it was Muslim League. Okay, remember this. Now moving to the next question. Yes, so here is our question number 17. Bal Gangadhar Tilak published the newspaper dash in Marathi. Okay, so he published which newspaper in Marathi? It was Kesari. Okay, and in English he used to publish Maratha. Remember these two. This was in English. Okay, and Maratha was in English and Kesari was in Marathi language. Moving to next question. And one more thing, Gita Rahasya, this was the book, okay, written by him when he was in prison. Okay, when he was in jail he wrote a book, the name of which is Gita Rahasya. Moving to next question. The British can be driven away from India only by the means of violent methods. This was the belief of dash. So violent methods was the belief of revolutionaries. Okay, option number C is right. 19th. Lotus and Dagger in England was similar to dash in US by revolutionaries. So it was Ghadar. Okay, and you can take this question number 20 as homework. Try to write the answer of this question in the comment section. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this content, kindly do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy, have a great time.